Welcome to lesson 9. في العمل في العمل at work. Lesson's objective: overview of negation in Arabic. Conjugation of laysa which is not, with different pronouns. Negation with past and present verbs. Example vocabularies related to different professions. أهداف الدرس: استعراض لأدوات النفي. أدوات النفي mean negation or negation articles في اللغة العربية. تصريف الفعل ليس, the conjugation of the verb ليس not, مع الضمائر with pronouns. أدوات النفي negation articles المستعملة مع الأفعال الماضية والمضارعة. مع with الأفعال, the verbs of الماضية past والمضارعة the present. سرد لبعض المفردات المتعلقة بالمهن. Some examples: لبعض for some, المفردات vocabularies المتعلقة بالمهن that is related to professions. This is section 2 of lesson 9, grammar, قواعد. Negation in Arabic. النفي في اللغة العربية. النفي في اللغة العربية. Negation in Arabic language. Here's an overview. Negation in Arabic is simple but quite different than English. There are 5 different ways for negation in Arabic. There is these articles: لا, ما, لم, لن, ليس. Again, لا, ما, لم, لن, ليس. لا and ما, ولم, ولن, all these 4 articles are used for negation in verbal sentences, whereas laysa is used for negation in nonverbal, nominal sentences. Laysa is conjugated based on reference pronoun, e.g. laysat. Laysat is for هي laysat, she did not. Laysa هو, this is for هو, هو laysa, he is not or he did not. So again, 5 articles that are used for negation, 4 of which are used in verbal sentences, which are لا, ما, لم, لن. Laysa is used with nonverbal nominal sentences. Here's the conjugation of laysa. هو ليس, he is not. هي ليست, she is not. هم ليسوا, they are not. أنا لست, I am not. نحن لسنا, we are not. أنت لست, you are not as a male. أنت لستِ, you are not as a female. أنتم لستم, you are not in plural sense. Things to note that basically the accents or vocalization of the lam and the ya stays the same here for huwa, hiya, and laysu. Notice that the ya disappears for with ana, nahnu, anta, for all the first and the second person. And that's because the scene has to take a sukoon, and if the ya stayed before the scene with another sukoon, it would become harder to pronounce. So for the ease of pronunciation, the ya disappeared from the first and the second person conjugations. Here's some examples. The general rule is la is used to negate present tense verbs, and ma is used to negate past tense verb. Okay, this is a general rule. La is with present tense verbs, and ma is past tense verb. Here's an example. لا يلعب الأولاد في الحديقة بعد المغرب. The children, الأولاد, do not, لا, play يلعب. If you recall in the previous lessons, they here because the verb supersede the subject, there's no agreement. يلعب is basically for single, and al-awlad is plural. So there's no agreement between the verb and the subject because the verb came first. لا يلعب الأولاد في الحديقة, in the park, بعد, after, المغرب, after sunset. Here's ما شاهدت أمينة هذا الفيلم من قبل. ما شاهدت أمينة هذا الفيلم من قبل. أمينة ما شاهدت. Here's in English you start with again with the subject. Amina did not. Amina did not see. شاهدت هذا this الفيلم movie من قبل before. Ma can sometimes replace la to negate present tense verb. Occasionally, it's not a general rule, but sometimes it is used. لا أشرب القهوة. لا أشرب القهوة means I do not drink coffee. The statement implies a habit, but to say that I am not drinking coffee now, ما is used instead. So you say ما أشرب القهوة. ما أشرب القهوة. So لا أشرب القهوة means it's a habit. If you use ما in this case, it's basically I am not drinking coffee now. ما أشرب القهوة. لا is used with past tense verb only when negating two successive verbs. Remember, لا is used to negate present tense verbs. But if you wanted to use it for past tense verb, it has to do double successive negation. So, أنا لا رأيت ولا سمعت شيئا. I did not see and I did not hear a thing. أنا لا رأيت ولا سمعت. I did not see و and لا did not سمعت hear شيئا a thing. We continue. لم is also used to negate past tense verbs. However, it must be followed by the present form of the verb. So it gives the meaning for the past, but it is followed by the present form of the verb. لم يلعب الأولاد في الحديقة البارحة لشدة المطر. The children did not play in the park yesterday because of the heavy rain. لم يلعب الأولاد. الأولاد, the children. لم did not. يلعب did not play. في الحديقة in the park البارحة yesterday لشدة المطر because of the heavy rain. المطر rain. شدة is heavy. Here's the fourth article for negation. لن. لن is used to negate future verbs, and it must be followed by the present form of the verb. Remember, in Arabic, there's no future form of the verb. We use sofa or sa with the present tense form of the verb to indicate the future. So here's an example. لن يذهب يوسف إلى المكتبة لأنه مشغول باللعب. Yusuf is not going to the library because he is busy playing. So it is indicating something that is a future activity. لن يذهب. Yusuf is not going. Yusuf is not. يذهب going. إلى المكتبة to the library. Remember, maktaba comes from kataba by adding the meme in front of it. المكتبة إلى المكتبة to the library لأنه because he is مشغول busy باللعب in playing or playing in English. As indicated, we said that 4 of the negation articles are with verbal sentences. ليس is used with nonverbal sentences. And here are some examples. هو ليس معنيا بهذا الأمر. And this is very important negation and helps in many ways in conversational Arabic. So it'll be very good to remember all of these negation articles, and ليس in particular. هو ليس معنيا بهذا الأمر. He is not concerned with this matter. هو, he, ليس is not, معنيا concerned, بهذا in this or with this, الأمر matter. أنا لست ماهرا في السباحة. I am not skilled in swimming. أنا, I am, لست, not, ماهرا, skilled, في السباحة, in swimming. Again, here remember سبح. سبح is he swam. سباحة, basically we added the alif after the second letter to become the ing form of the verb, which is swimming. third example, ليس هذا كتابي. This is not my book. ليس هذا كتابي. Or you can say هذا ليس كتابي. In Arabic, you could do both. Either way. ليس is not. هذا, this. كتابي, my book. And this is conclude our grammar section for lesson 9.